Hey guys, so this is part 2 of how to block a punch, and I'm going to show you guys how to block a haymaker. So my dad's going to step back to a fighting stance, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in kind of like I'm diving in, or they call it the Superman thing, just like that. So from here, I'm striking to the side of the head right here, and then I'm going to hook around just like this. So if I don't hook around the elbow here, if I hook right here, he's going to try to pull out. You can pull out pretty easy. So if I go and hook here, he tries to get out. See, now he can't, he can barely get out. So from here you can hook back of the head, you can knee and then strike. You can do multiple takedowns from here. From here you can go from that, like that takedown, or you can get in close, hip to hip, and do that sweep takedown. And so that's how you block the haymaker, and make sure to check out my other video where I teach how to block a straight punch. Thanks for watching.